I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, when we thought that the worst disaster has already happened, the FTX exchange with all that thing happening, the users' funds being stuck, here is the another news that surfaced that further on top of everything that has happened, FTX has been hacked. And in fact, there were outflows exceeding $600 million, but later on the authorities from the FTX came and said, okay, when they saw a little bit of suspicious activity, they were the ones that were actually moving those big funds in order to keep it secure in a cold storage wallet. But the report suggests, a lot of suggestions are out there that more than $450 million worth of crypto has actually been stolen after the hack, and rest of them probably might have been moved onto the cold storage. But further, the reason for me to actually make this particular video is to ensure that I tell to my viewers and to my subscribers, stay away from accessing FTX. Even the ftx.com website, even the app, FTX app that you have installed, and even for the people who already had the funds onto the FTX and you had your bank account dealing with the FTX, I would suggest all of you guys to actually go out and try to change your password. Why? Because there was this famous guy. He said that he had this account on FTX and he had obviously dealing with withdrawal and transfers. Somebody tried to access his bank account and obviously the access was declined due to the security reasons and the password mismatch and stuff. But literally the hackers are now trying to steal through the information of the people onto the exchange. So you all need to be very cautious, and even installing the apps or probably trying to access the mail, and then maybe the hackers could be sending the email to the people, okay, go and check the FTX and stuff, and they would try to install a Trojan virus onto your system so that probably in the future your private keys and stuff can be hacked. So we need to be very secure and very safe. And at the same time, there were rumors coming out that this could have been done by somebody insider only, like probably some of the insiders who actually were part of the FTX, and with all that drama, all that catastrophe that's happening in between, they utilized this as an opportunity to hack into and then steal through the cryptocurrencies. And literally we saw like millions of dollars of Matic coming out, and then you can actually go and see the transactions that have happened, and a lot of outflows happened. And in fact, in the past 24 hours, it happened to have exceed more than $600 million. Obviously some of them moved to the cold storage. So as you can see, like even on the Telegram official group of FTX, the admin said like FTX has been hacked, FTX apps are malware, delete them, chat is open, don't go on the FTX site as it might download Trojans. Just the way I'm just talking about the same thing. So guys, we need to be very safe and secure. Especially these are the things that the depths of the bear markets can do. Like some of the most reputed people and some of the best of the projects literally can face and crumble upon during these times and during the depths of the bear market. And especially if somebody is doing a disastrous thing as reputed as the CEO and the founder of the FTX. At the same time, to our surprise, like what is happening right now with Sam Bankman-Fried? The question might be in the people's head, where is he? Actually, he is in Bahamas right now, but the authorities, obviously he is in a great location and like luxurious place, but the sources are saying he's trying to flee to Dubai, and even the Caroline of Alameda is trying to come to Dubai because it is far more lenient and probably one of the safest places in terms of these things. But the Bahamas authorities are not letting him go because obviously what are the consequences, the cases, and a lot of things. So rather than letting somebody to flee from their place, they would rather prefer for the accountability as of now. So apart from the FTX being hacked, some of the FTX wallet holders actually visited the websites and saw their balance turning to $0. So guys, I mean, and like for the people, some of the people might be like, okay, we were on the FTX, we want to see what is the status of withdrawal, maybe it is allowing. Let me tell you, it is not happening any soon. Even if it happens in the future, which is highly unlikely, that's how like everything goes. What I'll suggest to you is that, I mean, if anything of that sort happens, obviously you will be getting news, you'll be bombarded with emails and everything, big news coming in. You don't have to go and check every time on the FTX website. At the same time, the better approach right now is, if you have lost your money onto the FTX exchange, try to think that you have paid whatever the big amount, because you need to be psychological. I mean, the worst kind of damage is a psychological damage. You need to be thinking that this is the amount of fees that I have paid to learn this lesson of the lifetime, and I'm going to renew, I'm going afresh and with the learnings that I have had, and then reapply the things, reapply my knowledge, and then try to rebuild my empire. That should be our approach, because when you have this particular approach, you leave all the expectation of getting the money back, so you do not have regrets and consistent broken heart when you happen to see the negative news is that, okay, no chance of getting the money back. So if you come to peace with it, and then slowly and steadily it settles down, it no longer affects you, that's when you will be making the best of the decisions. A lot of people, like, guys, I mean, within the crypto itself, like, to tell you the story, a lot of people literally got wiped out in 2018, 2019, and then all they did is just stayed within the field, had the trust, kept on building, kept on reapplying their knowledge, and they happened to make it big by the next bull run. And all that thing is just letting your emotional thing upside and down. Do not give up, just stay in the field. Time is going to heal everything. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. The channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. The goal of this channel is to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. And obviously, you have the chance to win one full Bitcoin in the lucky giveaway that we guys are doing, and completely free. All you have to do is just sign up to the best exchange in the world, which is Binance. Just watch the quick video in the end. How can you qualify? All you have to do, again, just sign up and buy any crypto, and that's it, you're qualified. And not just for the one time, over and over. Every time we complete the number of referrals, we make the lucky draw, and you can be one of the winners, and you'll be contacted the moment that you happen to win. So till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.